I was given this product to do a review video. If you are watching this video, I must have liked this product. Otherwise the video would not have been published. So let's go to the video. Okay, today we're going to install these Posker LED headlights. We're going to compare them to the halogen headlights that I have in there right now. And we'll see if you're better with them or without them. So let's get started.
Use primer right here. I got some little
5W30.
Oh, it's minus 45.
Good for storage.
That's air floor cleaner.
Automatic.
Air intake.
Okay, so let's open these up and see what they look like. They give you a little user's manual. They give you some extra LEDs here. They're small. I don't know what these are for, but we'll look it up later, see what it is. And here they are. These actually have a little fan on them. It's kind of cool because I guess they get pretty hot. So, you know, I was told that these are the good kind because they're just double-sided. Where if you have these multi-sided ones, they shine all over the place and blind people. And I certainly don't want to do that. So, and these just plug right into your wiring that you have there. Okay, so yeah, and this is what I'm going to be replacing, these halogen ones. And we'll see if there's a difference, if they shine, you know, brighter. I'm sure they probably will be. But I just don't want to blind people, so if they're not shining the way I want them to, they won't stay in the car. That's all there is to it. They won't stay in my vehicle. But also what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the draw on these guys. I'm going to see which ones take out more of a draw, the halogen or the LEDs. So I'll check that out too. Alright, so let's go out in the garage and install these babies and we'll see how they work. Okay, what we got here is low beams, high beams, low beams, high beams. And as you can tell on the bottom headlight picture, the LEDs are brighter. Okay, let's see how many amps these headlights draw. Okay, this is with the low beams on. And as you can see, the halogen draws more amps than the LED bulbs. About 3 amps more. On high beam, the halogen is drawing another 2 amps. And the LED only went up 1/10 of an amp. So let's go out and see how they do in night driving. This is on low beam. I tried to synchronize the videos so you can see for yourselves the differences. Okay, both on high beams now. Notice how much better you can see that sign that's on the right hand side. Well, all I can really say is I like these LED headlights. I can see down the road a lot better, and I'm sure you can see in the video that these give off a whiter and brighter light without shining all over the place. I later drove around for about a half an hour and no one gave me any high beam signals, so I guess I'm not blinding anyone. So yeah, I can see the road a lot better with these. They make the road light right up. So I give these lights a big thumbs up. They're definitely keepers for me. I'll post a link down in the description as to where you can get these. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Hey, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.